Welcome back, everybody. If I haven't had a chance to tell you yet, Happy New Year. Excited to have you with me again for another round. And we're going to have some exciting Halloween-ish videos coming up soon. I've started planning my display already this year. I just came up with an idea the other day, and I'm starting to flesh it out. I am putting some information about that on my Patreon page. So if you're interested in keeping up with me as I kind of figure things out this year, of course you can watch the channel and I will build things with you, but I like to do a lot of my planning on my Patreon page, so check it out. I apologize to my existing patrons. It's been a little quiet in there lately with the holidays, but now that the holidays are over, it's time to start getting to work, so hopefully we'll see a lot more activity there pretty soon. But I did get one brand new patron pledge last month that I did want to share with you. And that's a long-time friend of our channel, Patchouli Julie. And I really want to thank you, Patchouli Julie, for pledging to be a patron on the channel. That support is very much appreciated, and thank you very much. Patchouli Julie is joining my other existing wonderful patrons that include Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, B. Hugh, Carla Perea, Cathy Lacy, Craig Thomas, Create at Home with G, Eerie Eric, Frady Zone, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Jessica Thomason, Kip and Jace, Lady D, Lauren McLean, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, Teara, and Terry in Jacob's World. So thank you all for your help in supporting the channel. If anyone else again is interested in becoming a patron, be sure to check out the link below for details. But of course, one other thing I like to do for all of my patrons is show off their exciting YouTube channels if they have them. And starting with Patchouli Julie, she supports a channel. I'm not sure if it's necessarily hers, but let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so here we are. Patchouli Julie is affiliated with Gnome King Productions. So not necessarily a Halloween channel, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be. Let's go ahead and take a look at the About page to see what Gnome King Productions is all about. It says here in the description, I am an artistic video producer who likes to explore surrealistic ideas from the imagination. I earned a Bachelor of Science degree in telecommunications, video production, and fine art in 2001 when I graduated from Ohio University in Athens. Or is it Athens? One or the other. I've always wanted to combine my artwork with film since video production is such a visual medium, but I can only afford to use video camera and videotape for now in the editing process until I start to actually make any money at my dream in life. So please subscribe to my channel because it's free and you'll be helping out a true artist in need. So it looks like that was from 2014. So I don't know if Gnome King Productions has made progress to his dream, her dream, their dream, but the latest video did come out, it looks like 2 weeks ago. Started watching it. Definitely it is interesting surrealism with some music, but there are a lot of videos here to explore. Ooh, I guess it's kind of spooky too. Evil Undead Spirits, uncut alternate ending. So, wow, okay. I missed a lot of this on my first glance because, sometimes when you open up somebody's page and you're just on the home page, if it goes to it, well, shoot, now it's not doing it. But sometimes you don't see all the videos till you hit the video link and then you see them all. So, looks like there are some interesting videos to check out. But what is this? Blood of the Gnome King. So I guess we should check some of these out eventually. So check out Gnome King Productions and tell Patchouli Julie you stopped by. All right, next up we have Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones does wonderful crafting videos. Lately, her thing is doing craft battles and crafting with other crafters. So if you're interested in crafting, be sure to check out Indiana Jones, but not only for crafting, but things like the Deering Antique Car Show. It's an estate at which she volunteers. or works. I don't know. I think it's volunteer. But Indiana Jones, I was expecting to see a few more cars in this video. Did take a look. But since our last check-in, there have been a lot of Christmas videos, so if you're still catching up on wonderful recipe videos, you can check them out on her page, and some interesting things like how to do a backdrop updo. Okay. Well, anyway, so that's Indiana Jones. Let's go ahead and check out Created Home with G, who is no longer Created Home with G. So now, if you're looking for him, you want to check out Acorn and Oak. Let's check out his about to see what's happened here. Welcome to Acorn and Oak, the new rebranded name of my YouTube channel formerly Created Home with G. From 2021, I'll be uploading craft, DIYs, decorate with me hauls, and more from September through December. I'm a crafter, special needs support teacher. On this channel, you'll see a variety of videos from seasonal craft, home tours, lifestyle videos, hauls, shop with me, style videos, household decor, upcycle and recycle videos, and of course, design team videos. He's based in London, which means you're always going to enjoy listening to him speak, but he does fabulous videos too, so be sure to check them out. And it looks like his last video was about a week ago, so that's January, so September through December, I'm not so sure. But check out Gareth here at Acorn and Oak. Next up, we have Frady Zone, who does some wonderful, very, very nice, well done videos of Halloween and spooky things and crafting and so forth. The last one she put up here, I think Gnome King Productions might enjoy. It's kind of surreal. It's a Martian Christmas, waiting for Santa Claus. Very interesting. I love the alien-themed Christmas. It was suitably bizarre, and of course I got to see that alien animatronic from Home Depot that I didn't buy last year that I really wish I had, so check that out if you're interested. And then Halloween Inflatable Geek has uploaded a new video recently exploring an abandoned haunted park. Park Haven Nursing Home, not a park, but a nursing home, exploring the grounds of a creepy old nursing home. Is the latest video that he's added to lots of fun Halloween videos, a lot of which are inflatable related, if that's your thing, because it certainly is the thing of a lot of people. Inflatables are big business, and that's always surprised me. All right, next up we have Heather St. John's channel, As You Sow, which is now T Cat Makes. All you guys are trying to confuse me in finding your channels, but here she just has her intro video from a year ago, but I suspect we will be seeing something else soon to go along with this new title. Skull Crane Entertainment, of course, does lots of animatronic reviews, and I believe he has a shop where he sells these things, so you can check them out on his channel. And he has lately, looks like if I'm skimming through some of his last videos, he has launched a Discord channel. Not too familiar with Discord myself, but I guess that's the new modern thing, not the old AOL chat rooms that I'm used to of my youth, but you can find him on Discord, chat about things. He does giveaway videos and so forth, so check out Skull Crane Entertainment. Next up, we have Spooky Bev, who has some spooky videos. Nothing too recent, but, we always like to support our fellow patrons, so check out her channel too. And then we have Spooky Spectacle. Spooky Spectacle has done a bit since we checked in last. I kind of missed most of these Christmas videos, but she did a 12 days of spookiness with some crafting projects and we've got some makeup tutorials. And then as we keep making our way down, let's see, Hufflepuff makeup tutorial. Have not had a chance to watch that yet, but love Harry Potter, so I'll have to give that a shot. And then, of course, she has created just recently, this time I'm looking at this, just 2 hours ago, a vision board. So we'll get to see all of her exciting plans for the coming year. And then last up, we have Terry and Jacob's World. So Terry and Jacob's World like to upload videos frequently, just exploring their life in general, especially around Halloween time, but always really. So lately it's been Christmas related, but there have been some other exciting, interesting videos like looking at Jacob's homework, and I was curious, so of course I watched the video, and let me just say, I think that the verbs in that first section are really the same thing, so it just depends on how you look at it, I guess. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, check out our video and check out their channel. Thank you once again, wonderful patrons, and thank you all out there again for just sticking with me through the year and all of these fun videos. You can help the channel even if you're not a patron by being sure to like and comment and hit that bell notification. So that'll do it for our patron shout out for the month, and you know what time that makes it. It is giveaway announcement time. So got a box here. We're going back to the box format. I picked out a box of stuff just from my closet of goodies. A lot of these things I like to try and find from the thrift stores, but lately I have not had much luck finding anything at thrift stores. You know, I think it's just the whole pandemic thing. That's why I haven't been doing my thrift store haul videos lately, but I am checking out the thrift stores, and eventually I do hope to find something, and we'll get back into that because I know a lot of you ask me all the time what's going on with those. And of course our ugly pumpkin of the month, we haven't had one of those in a long time, but we will get back to them hopefully soon. So a lot of the things in this box, well, there's not a whole lot in this box because like I said, I'm a little worried with no thrift store haul videos that I'm going to run out of stuff to give away. So it's kind of a light month this month, but there's a couple good things in here. So most of this stuff, again, is from thrift stores, so it's all secondhand pretty much, mostly. But we're going to start with this cute little soap dispenser. It's Ghost. It says Boo on it. I bought this like years ago, and I have never used it. I don't know if it's been used. It smells a little soapy, so I think someone has used it in the past. Could use maybe a little cleanup, but you know, it's a soap dispenser, so you'll have the soap to clean it up. All right. We also have a beware sign. You may have remembered this. I tried giving it away a couple of months ago, and the winner of that month's haul, it went unclaimed. So remember, if you enter these contests, you have to check back on the drawing page to make sure to see if you won or not, because I will respond to your comment on your entry telling you you won, but it requires you to check that, and hopefully you'll get a notification that you did win, or the response to your comment, and get in touch with me so I can ship your prize. And of course, as the description says of the giveaway, you have 30 days to collect your winnings. Otherwise, it's up for grabs for someone else. So some of these other things are coming from that haul that was not, or that not that haul, that giveaway that wasn't given away, I should say, including this little chalkboard tombstone from the Dollar Tree a few years ago. I bought a bunch of these. They're good to put out. You can put it out, make a little, tombstone with a clever name for yourself or someone to put it out. I bought a bunch of these to use at my party where I could write like food labels on it and put it by the food products so people would know what they're eating. But I had a whole bunch of those at one point. Honestly, they don't work that great because when you write on it, well, it's fine if you never want to erase it. It doesn't erase very well. Maybe if you wash it, I don't know. I never found it worked all that great. Also from the Dollar Tree, we have this light up door cover. So it's a skull, and I believe that 2 red eyeballs blink. We did do a test video of a different door cover way back when. That thing blinked for like 5 days straight, so you'll have plenty of time to put this up, light it. You can light it early on Halloween and it'll still be blinking at the end of the night, which is always good. And then we have the Insta theme, the stairway, window, and torch props, along with, I guess, this brick wall. So if you need to decorate your house in a pinch, you can just throw this up, and you've got a medieval castle wall. And then lastly for this month, this was kind of fun. You know me, I love Legos, so I put together this hidden side Lego set last year, and now I'm giving it to you to play with, pass along, just build for fun like I did, whatever you want to do. But you build this little cemetery scene out of Legos, and then you can use your phone to kind of like capture ghosts with it. It was kind of interesting. You know, it's not something I would want to do again, but I thought putting it together was a lot of fun. Playing it, not so much, because I think it is more geared toward the younger crowd, 7+. So I'm just a little older than 7+. But that's it. So we have the wall, the door cover. That's like a whole house decorating set. Your tombstone chalkboard, little beware sign, soap dispenser, and your Lego set. It can all be yours if you win this month's elimination, which we're going to do in a week's time. So we'll call it next Wednesday. Let me just look at my phone. I've already forgotten what day that is. The 27th. Wednesday the 27th, we're going to do a live video drawing giveaway. You don't have to be there live to win, but you do need to be entered here before noon on the 27th. You need to leave me a comment below letting me know that you're entering and answer this month's question. And I guess since it's the new year, that question will be, did you make any New Year's resolutions? And if so, did you keep them, or have you already broken your New Year's resolutions? Let us know in the comments below, and that will get you entered into this month's drawing, which we'll do 9 p.m. Eastern on the 27th. Join us live. It's a lot of fun. We will pick out one of my clue games, assign everybody a clue suspect, and do eliminations by doing voting in the chat room live. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. Join us. It's a lot of fun. And if you can't join us, well, maybe next time. Good luck, and I guess that'll be it for this month. So, well, not this month. I've got lots more videos coming up. Filmed a couple more videos to put out soon. They're not Halloween related. You know, I had a separate channel I was going to do other videos on, but it's just easier to keep it all here, I've decided. So you're going to see some non-Halloween videos mixed into our Halloween videos, but we will be getting back to Halloween very, very soon. And of course, those videos will be throughout the year. So stay tuned for those. Till then, take care, stay safe, and happy haunting.